Hi there and welcome to the Computer Coach. Hope you're all fine and feeling well. This is Himayat. In previous video we talked about paste. We talked about how to move or copy or a file from one place to another place. But the part 2 is this. This is the part 2. We have something like now if I come here to the show more options, the paste doesn't work. Well, I have a folder here. I want to have a folder like Control Shift or maybe any file. Okay, Control Shift N. I have a folder by the name of Office. So just a moment to arrange icons. Okay, so now you can see this is the white thing here. It's a kind of mark. Okay, so whenever you see this white point thing here, it means that this is not the original icon, it's shortcut. Okay, it is the shortcut. So what is the difference between shortcut and copy? We're gonna talk about this today. So if I right click on this original folder and have a copy of this folder, I have got a copy of this folder, copy, and if I right click on somewhere and anywhere, here I have paste. Here we talked about paste, but I have got a paste shortcut here. So we're gonna talk about the difference between paste and paste shortcut. What is the difference? So I'm gonna paste. This is the original. I copied the original file. I'm gonna paste. So it is the copy. It's written copy, but it has no mark, any mark here. But if I right click and come here, paste shortcut, and come click it, so it is, we have got a paste shortcut. So Office is the original name of the office, so it's copy. It is the copy of the Office folder. It is the shortcut for the Office folder. It is the copy of the Office folder, but it is the shortcut for the Office folder. For example, my folder, let me show you the first one, and again the difference between so what is the difference? First let me talk about the difference, then go like how to use shortcut. The difference is like now I can open copy also, you see it's opened, and I can open shortcut also. But if I move the original to the recycle bin, it means I want to delete the original one. Okay, or simply right click it. In here I've got a delete, and it is now in a recycle bin. So if I come to here, you see here I have the original one in a recycle bin. So now I want to open this file. This is the copy. Open, copy is going to open for me, but whenever I want to open the shortcut, it will not open for me. It will say that the item Office, that is shortcut, refers to has been deleted. It means, before this, it means the shortcut has got link with the original one. It has got, they are related with each other. Like it's like a chain. They are together. When they are apart, okay, they will not work. It means like that. So if I come here and I cut this file and paste it, I can paste it anywhere, it's no problem. So I can paste here, it is the original one. Now I can open the shortcut. You see, now I'm able to open the shortcut in the copy. But if what if I delete this file from the recycle bin as well? Like I'm gonna shift delete it. Whenever you press shift delete, it means it's gonna be deleted forever. So yes, it's not in recycle bin anymore. So it's deleted forever. So if I come here and press the shortcut, it's not gonna open, and it means that if you want to delete the shortcut, yes, and the shortcut is like it's gone also. But I have got a copy. The copy is gonna work for me. I can open the copy of the original one. Now the original is also deleted. The shortcut is also deleted because the shortcut in the original one has got a relationship. They have link. So when they have link, we can open shortcut without the original one. So when the original one is gone forever, like the shortcut is also gone. Now if I come here, so we can open the copy. I'm gonna delete this icon. I'm gonna make another folder. Let me show you, not another folder, let me show you the shortcut, like how to use the shortcut. So I'm come to this folder, this PC local disk. I don't want to come every time I don't want to come here to this PC, go to the local disk and open this folder. Simply want to open this folder from the desktop. There are many ways, but this is the way. So what you're gonna do, right click, get a copy of this, not cut copy, and come to the desktop, right click, so paste shortcut. Do it paste shortcut. So whenever you want to open that file, just press it, so it's you see the file is gonna be open. You see the file is opened. Where I am now, this PC local drive disk videos, but I am in the desktop. I came here from the desktop. But if like I wanna have another thing here in this folder, so as you can see, there are things which are in that folder. There is nothing else. But if I want to add something, or like this is a document, Control C, videos, Control V, so they are linked. Let me show you. So when I come here, shortcut, you see the documents is also here. So whenever if I delete this original drive, okay, shortcut does not gonna work ever, never. You know, they have linked each other. So this, like, they have link also, and in this way you can use shortcut. So shortcut is like, this is a shortcut. If we delete this software, it doesn't mean that it's not gonna work. Like, we can get a shortcut. We go to the original one, okay, we have all these things, program softwares like default, they are installed in C drive. So we have got the original one. We can have many shortcuts as well. So today I hope you understand the difference between paste and paste shortcut as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for the next video or for more videos, okay? And if you have any issue in your computer, you can tell me in a comment and we can have a video. Thank you very much.